Want to customize how your iPhone handles notifications during work, sleep, or personal time? Let's change your focus mode settings. Open the Settings app on your phone, then scroll down and tap on Focus. Here, you will see different modes like Do Not Disturb, Sleep, or Work. Tap on any of them to adjust how they behave. Then, under Allow Notifications, you can choose which people or apps are allowed to get through during the focus. You can also customize the lock screen or home screen to match your vibe when that focus is active. You can even automate when it turns on, like during a certain time, location, or while using a specific app. And if you want more control, go back to the main focus menu, then tap on the plus icon on the top right and create a new focus just the way you like. And once you're done, just swipe down from the top right corner and press and hold the focus icon. And you can switch between modes anytime. Clean, focused, and fully under your control. And if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.